Good day and welcome to Data Color Academy. My name is Jeff Watts. I'm a Senior Application Specialist with Data Color, and today's Tinter tip concentrates on spectrophotometer maintenance. This is specifically directed towards the retail paint shop. So what I'd like to do is just jump into and review a real quick document that we have here as in concerning maintaining your spectrophotometer that you have in the shop. So other than your calibration that you do, and depending on the spectrophotometer that you have, you may only need to calibrate it up to once every couple of weeks. But this is in addition to calibration, and basically involves a monthly maintenance cleaning that needs to be done with the system. The monthly maintenance only needs to be done monthly because the spectrophotometer is a sealed unit, so there's really nothing else that you as the user needs to do with it other than some basic cleaning. So in going through this document, you see the first thing is being able to clean out the sphere or the internal part of the spectrophotometer, that white area in there. If there are dust particles or dirt or anything like that, basically the only option that you have is to tip the sphere up on the side and allow the dirt to be able to fall out of the aperture. You do not want to put your fingers in there and try to clean it out or use anything to brush or scrape, because you would scratch the inside of the sphere, getting rid of the barium coating, that white coating that's in there. And if that does happen, then the sphere will not read or calibrate correctly. Other than that, you want to use a little isopropyl alcohol to be able to clean the tiles off. You want to keep the paint off of your tiles, your white tile and your green tile. And otherwise, if there is paint on there when you're calibrating, that will also throw the instrument off and it won't read correctly. So a little bit of isopropyl alcohol will work on the tiles. And on top of that, you just want to make sure to keep your tiles in the drawer that comes with the spectrophotometer. And with the black trap, you want to keep the part that goes against the aperture, or the whole part, pointed inside, because it does a better job at keeping dust out of that black trap. And it probably goes without saying, but it is best to try to keep wet paint from inside the sphere, because wet paint inside the sphere will dry and it will throw your readings off. So do your best to only present things to the sphere that are dry. If you do get wet paint on the outside of the sphere or the outside of the instrument, that is cleanable also with a little bit of alcohol. If after cleaning your sphere you have issues calibrating, or if you start seeing the numbers on your green tile going up, then it's time to call our support line at 800-982-6496. Hopefully those tips were helpful as far as being able to keep your spectrophotometer clean. It's a pretty simple process, but it is something that is necessary and will allow you to make sure to have accurate measurements. Therefore, you will also have accurate matches. If you'd like to learn more, please sign up at Data Color Academy or follow us on the Data Color blog. Thank you for your time. We hope that this was valuable to you, and we hope to hear from you in the near future.